there we go. So I have this light message from a little bit long time. Every time when I was checking here under check control, so how we use that is use this button, up and down button. When you go to check, so you can scroll up and down, and when you go to check controls, press this one time, you will see this message, light message. Then press the BC button, side button, just keep it pressed, and when you release you will see the error message. There's a battery error, and then you can also explore that error message more. What I'm gonna do is check one more time, check message. This message, so up. So this is the main message which I have. The battery message is I know, because I have this car on from a long time. The music system was on. All right. This is the message CCID 132. I try to search on the post, you know, online forums for BMW and other stuff. It was not making sense first of all when I was searching like which light, because if you look at from the front, all the light seems on. Okay, so I had to dig a little bit more deep to find it out, which I'll show you now the difference here. So when I was looking here, lights were all no issues, and the side light was on also. But what it is it's actually called the ring light. This is the one, right? These two lights at the bottom. So this is the ring light. That's what it was the problem. If you look at here, notice it, the ring light is not there, right? It turned off. So I removed this from the casing. Actually, this is the bulb inside, which is dead, and that's what is the problem. You can buy this full set from Amazon also, but also I noticed you can change the internal bulb as well, which I'm gonna try it and I'll post that. So what I'm planning to do is basically not to buy a full set, actually just to remove this and see if I can order the just the internal bulb, which might be cheaper idea, because the set I noticed, or just one side of bulb full set is $55 on Amazon or more. So I'll see if I can open this up and remove this and remove the bulb, also change the bulb. So just a lock to both sides, one side and on the other side. So if you look on this side, I was able to pull this out after releasing these two locks. So same thing I'm gonna do this side, release this lock, which I did, this one I did already. So just pull it out. Once it's out, then yeah. So both sides are out. This is stuck here. Both need to come out same time. Okay. So this is out. This is the bulb, which is bad. So I'll open this up and see if I can find the placement. So way to remove this bulb is just push and turn. So push and turn toward I would say left, and it's out. Okay, so I was able to pull this out. I had to use a little bit force on it. What it is 12082. Yeah, 120. I don't know if you can read it here, but it's 12082 Philips 12 volt 10 watt bulb, which I just searched, available on Amazon, like $10, and even on Home Depot, it's showing like $7 or something. So I'm just gonna go and buy it and change it, and I'll post it, see what it does. So this is the replacement bulb I ordered from Amazon. For this one, the one was 40. So we're gonna see if this works. Yeah, so it will go in, obviously, because I had to pull a little bit hard the other one, so it's going to be a little bit tight to go back in, but this is the same exact bulb, will fit in. So this is back in, and then we're gonna install this back in here. The same way we pulled it out. It's just gonna clip in, and then press these sides to hold it tight. Putting it back together, make sure it's tight in there. Okay, good. So now we can install it.
So this will go back in there. And the screws. This way. Okay. It's in there now, and there are two screws holding from the side. These are torques, and then clip this in.
There's a ring light, and there's a ring light. It's working. One important thing is there's only one bulb. It looks like there might be another one, but no, it only lit up from here. So there's only one bulb, which there are both rings. And the message light also gone. There was a CD ID 132 error message, and that's gone as well. So there's no warning sign. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys.